Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Say hi. Okay, he's got to go, but I have an epic or maybe an epic fail video coming for you because I feel almost embarrassed to say this, but today I will be putting on false eyelashes for the first time in my life. I feel like this is gonna be bad. Oh my god. Here they are, and so I'm going to show you on my example how to put on false eyelashes for the first time in your life. This feels so weird because I've been a beauty blogger for years now and I feel like everybody thinks I should have done this 100 times by now, but the thing is that I like colorful eyelashes and there are very rare colorful false eyelashes in the market, and a few years ago I don't think there were any at all, well, hardly any, very hard to find. And if you put on mascara, a good coat of mascara on your falsies, I don't think you will be able to reuse them, and buying falsies for every makeup look that you do is kind of expensive, you know. But now I decided that it was finally time to try, and I'm very educated theoretically, so I've watched several videos, I know what I should do, but I kind of suck at practice because I have zero of it. So let's go into it, let's do this together. I'll tell you what I learned. So first thing you have to do is to try on your lashes like without gluing them. You should bring them close to your eye and see how they fit. They should start in the outer corner of your eye here. They shouldn't go below it because they will then just unstick. Then they should go all the way here and finish approximately here where your first lashes begin, maybe even a little bit farther, because otherwise they will poke you in the eye if you bring them here, but not a good deal farther either because that will look weird. Also, I'm wearing some colorful eyeliner and I hope they don't cover it up. So yes, this first thing you need to do is measure the eyelashes, how they fit the eye, and if they're too long, just trim them slightly with manicure scissors, for example. Don't trim a good deal right away because you can always go back and trim some more, but you can't put back what you have trimmed. I've already done that. I've left these pieces here as proof that I've done that, so I won't be showing how to do that. I think that's pretty understandable. The next thing is I need to apply the lash glue to the rim of the lashes. Wait several seconds until it gets tacky, then place it carefully above my own lashes to which I had applied mascara before. And also the false lash should face a little upwards. I shouldn't put it horizontally like this, but rather a little bit under the angle. Yeah, and then I need to use the tweezers to pinch them together so that there is no separation between my natural lashes and the false ones. And pretty much that's it. For the tweezers, I picked those that I normally use for my contacts because, see, they have silicone tips, because honestly I'm very afraid to poke myself in the eye, and these at least won't damage it, so let's start. Yeah, also one more tip, you should bend the eyelash slightly like this, so that it is more curved and sticks better to your natural eye. It won't be poking out. So the measurements seem to be okay. I'm not sticking it yet, just measuring. So I'm supposed to apply the glue to this band. I have the eyelash glue. It's white but should dry clear. So it looks something like this with the glue applied. Oh my god, I'm super nervous, honestly. I hope I don't go off camera with this one. Oh, and they also said you should look a little bit down. Like, you shouldn't look up. You shouldn't look straight. You should be looking a little bit down. So position your mirror slightly lower. Oh my god. Oh, this is difficult. No. Where are you going? It's not going where it should. Okay, not so bad. Oh, my eye is getting teary, and I definitely see a separation here in between the lashes that doesn't look too good. Okay, so it didn't stick well on the outer side. See what is happening? Okay, I will just try again. Take two. I feel like I'm such a sucker at it. I feel like a loser, honestly. But doesn't everybody feel that way when they just start? I guess so. So I apply the glue again. Let's zoom in. Now I'm just trying to pinch it with my fingers. Maybe it will work better this way. No, it doesn't. Okay, is it better this time? I think it is. I think it is. I think we're getting there. I feel like it still didn't stick quite well in the outer corner. I don't know if it's the glue, if it's me doing something wrong. Okay, I'll try to fix that without ungluing it by using a small brush and applying the glue right there. Okay. I feel like I sticked it on the outer corner. Let me just fix the inner corner a little bit. Maybe I should have trimmed the lash slightly more. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. I think so. Except for this part, I don't like this part. It doesn't feel too uncomfortable. So for the inner corner, just to hide that poor application of the eyelashes, I'm going to use a tiny bit of liquid black eyeliner. So what do you think? Shall we go to the other eye? I'll just show you the difference. They certainly add some drama to the look, but they hide my colorful eyeliner. That's why I never use false eyelashes. Okay, anyway, let's apply the second one. Bending it and applying the glue to the band, only to the inside of the band, so not to the top. I feel like I did slightly better with the second eye. But actually, I feel like it's poking me slightly in the eye here. So I guess I should have trimmed the lash slightly more. I will do it before I use it for my next look. Oh, my eye definitely got teary. Okay, there we go. I definitely added drama to my look. But they feel weird. Honestly, they do. Now, how exactly do they feel weird, in case that's your first time too? First of all, they're poking me very slightly in the inner corner of the eye, but that's because I didn't cut them enough. I will correct that later. And second, I can kind of see them a little. There is something dark above me. And also they touch my eyebrows. I'm not sure about seeing them if I didn't put them on right, or if that's just how false eyelashes are in general. Anyway, before I say more, there will also be a bonus in the end of this video, and that is how the hell do you take them off? Because no one ever tells you that. After you've done wearing them, what do you do? How do you take them off? Like, you're supposed to take them here and pull them, but how will it go? Is it painful? Is it easy? Will you rip the eyelashes? How will they look after that? How do you make them reusable? So how do you clean them? Anyway, this will be in the end of the video. In the meantime, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this experience that we just had together. And I'll go wear them for a bit and get back to you when I'm ready to take them off. Okay, I've worn them enough, which translated from the beauty blogger language means that I filmed 3 TikTok videos. One of them, by the way, is really funny. Go to the link in the comments to check it out. And let's now take them off. Oh, the TikTok props. I need to take them off too. For the lashes, it's going to be more tricky. I've had them on for less than an hour, but my eyes feel really uncomfortable, especially this part, or the inner corner, especially on the left eye. But as I said, the fault must be mine that I didn't trim them enough. So let's try to take them completely off. Let's start with the right eye. And okay, just as everybody says, I'm taking this edge and I'm kind of trying to lift it. No, it isn't painful at all. Actually, no unpleasant sensations here. Let's see how dramatic this eye is compared to this one. But this one is starting to feel much better, and you can see the colors. So of course it took away some eyeliner with it. Here's what I have left on the lash. I think I will wipe it with a cotton pad dipped into makeup remover and I will be able to reuse it again. Just, you know, not to pull by the lashes, I'm taking them carefully here with my 2 fingers, as close to the band as I can. Ah. Oh, that's such a relief. Oh my god. That's an experiment day, guys. I had fun. I hope you did too. I'm certainly not going to wear false eyelashes a lot, but it was really fun to try, and I'm glad that now I can apply them, I can take them off, and I really hope that this video helped you if it's your first time especially. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I have a very interesting video coming out. I think it will be super useful to a lot of people. And of course, I'm always glad to see you on my Instagram and TikTok. Bye bye, loves!